trash, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me.
Good morning, y'all. So I am headed to my dentist appointment, and why did the girl call me and was like, are you still coming at 9? And I was like, what you mean at 9? My appointment is at 9:50. And she was like, well, the cleaning is at 9:50 and the cleaning is at 9 and the procedure is at 9:50. And I'm just like, ma'am, that is not what the lady said on the phone. Like, that ain't what she confirmed with me. Y'all, like, literally, I confirmed this appointment, like, a couple of days ago. And she was like, okay, we've got your payment, blah, blah, blah. We're going to see you on Thursday at 9:50. And I was like, okay, cool. And so I slept in a little bit. I was like, shit, I'm good. I ain't got to get up super early. Yo, like, why? Why? So I'm just like, so I ain't gonna get my cleaning done. She was like, well, are you on your way now? I'm like, yeah, I'm about to walk out the house now. So I'm gonna be there at like 9:31 or whatever, y'all. Like, I'm about to be on my exit now. Like, oh, I'm aggravated a little bit. Also, I'm getting a freaking root canal today because when I went to get my initial cleaning, apparently I had like some type of infection on my gum or like an abscess or whatever. And I thought it was just like maybe I had scrubbed my gums too hard or whatever, and they were like, no, like, this is an infection, like, you gotta get a root canal. I was like, why? So he was asking me, my dentist was asking me, he was like, have you had any trauma, has there been any trauma in your, oh shoot, wait a minute, ugh. God dang it, have you had any trauma regarding your teeth? And I was like, I mean, the only thing I've had was like, y'all, like, this was 10 years ago, like plus 10 years ago. Like, I used to work at Best Buy, and y'all know those little silver beam things that come like out of the floor and they go up into the ceiling or whatever. So I had this customer, y'all, and I was talking to the customer. I think I was in like the digital camera section. It's crazy that I remembered it, but the shit hurt so bad. That's why I fucking remember it, I guess. And so anyways, I was talking to my customer, and y'all, when I was done talking to the customer, I didn't realize that the beam thing was like right behind me. Like, I turned around about to like put on my roller skates, y'all. Like, I turned around and walked straight into that damn beam, y'all. My fucking tooth hurt so fucking. Oh shit, is that a police? I hope I ain't speeding. I'm going like 53. I don't even know what the speed limit is right here. But hopefully he got enough to do and not worry about what I'm. Oh shit, there's another police. Damn. What the hell? All these goddamn police on this damn road for? Anyway, so I walked into this freaking beam, y'all. Like, it didn't knock my tooth out or nothing like that, but I do like have like some type of like sensitivity and stuff sometimes to that tooth. Like, I can feel like I just feel like a little difference or something like that, whatever. So anyways, that was that. I ain't worried about it because my tooth was still there, and like, it ain't crack or nothing like that. And then here come damn 10 years plus later, they talking about, oh, it doesn't, like, even though the trauma was 10 plus years ago, like, it can come back, like, it can basically like affect you later on in life. And I'm just like, bro, what the fuck? So needless to say, I am headed to get a cleaning and get this freaking root canal that I am petrified of, and I am scared, and I'm nervous, and I'm trembling. So yeah, y'all pray for me. I don't know if I can take my camera in there because I don't know, like, when people see cameras, like, they get a little nervous and stuff like that, and I ain't trying to make nobody nervous, and I really need to get this done. So I'm gonna just try and vlog and take you guys with me with my phone instead. getting my teeth cleaned. Now we're getting ready to do the root canal part of it. And hi.
Go ahead. Right now?
No, I've never ever had anything right there. Right, y'all. So she just put something at the top of my mouth, and it feels weird. Ugh. My mouth feels really weird right now. Yeah. And I don't know why my mouth's salivating so much.
I want to take your impression here, okay?
Okay.
It's going to help make your temporary. Now your temporary is not going to look perfect.
Okay.
So, but you know.
Okay. Y'all, she wouldn't let me listen to King Von in here.
You know.
She said she can't play King Von in here. Okay. I had to put some freaking lip gloss on my lips, y'all, because that stuff had me feeling right crusty. That was weird, actually. I'm nervous, y'all. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Oh, I'm scared. I really can't believe they won't let me listen to King Von up in here. That's wild. I need something to hurt my spirits up real bad. And that's gonna hurt my spirits up. Why do I feel like my lip lopsided or something right now? That stuff she put in my mouth.
You're open for me, please. And so nice and slow.
I'm really scared.
Okay, it's fine. You'll be okay. We'll take care of you. When you're open, that says you're ready, then you just stay still, just like that.
Okay.
Open, please. Okay, we're doing great. You're doing excellent. Can you use that suction for me, please? You're doing excellent. Use that suction for me. Let's let that sink in a little bit. Just relax.
Y'all, that shit fucking hurt a little bit. It wasn't too bad. He was very gentle, so I appreciate you wherever you are. My nose feels so weird. Like I feel like my nose is numb as well. That's wild. That's so ugly.
People get like veneers and stuff. That's exactly how it looks. That's exactly how it looks.
Alright, y'all, get ready to go. This is Dr.
Rogers.
He did a great job on my teeth, so I can't wait to come back.
Yeah, come get your teeth work time. Oral health is important.
It is. Thank you. Alright, I'm still numb, so I feel like I'm talking weird. But yeah. I guess you can't really tell too much. I don't know if you guys can tell. I really hope you can't tell, cause yeah. Alright, so I just got finished leaving the dental place and my mouth is still numb up in here and my nose, so I'm probably not gonna be able to eat anything right now. I'm not really sore, but it's like I can feel something different right there, I guess, if that makes sense. So I guess that's just gonna take a little bit of time basically to get used to, and once all this numbness goes down, I guess. So we'll see. Oh my god, I'm so freaking hungry. Like my stomach is growling, y'all. Like yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed my vulnerability, because girl, I am not about that life when it comes to my mouth. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I feel like I'm talking funny now with my mouth feeling weird, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I guess I'll see you guys another time. Bye. Why I do the peace sign? I don't know. Peace.
I'm so fucking happy you're around.